live in Las Vegas.
We are here at the Aria Hotel in Las Vegas. We have a Sky Suite room. Let's go check it out. We'll start off by ringing the doorbell.
Hello, welcome to Aria. Come in.
So we start off with a nice mirror. Hey guys. On your left is going to be a bathroom. It's a nice simple bathroom. Probably for guests. No shower in this one, but that is because there is a second bathroom coming up. For hosting, here is the living room with television. To the right, we have your own kitchen. There's a coffee maker. We have some water, covered space, fridge with more alcohol because you're in Vegas. Fridge for your own alcohol that you don't have to pay for through the casino. And a very fully stocked bar for when you're hosting your own parties. Inside here, before we get to the bedroom, just to the left here, we come to the master bathroom, where immediately to the left you have your own toilet. It is a heated toilet seat. You can control the temperatures. You have a phone. Over ahead, you have a shower with a seated shower. Your TV for when you want to have a bath, watch some TV, or you can simply turn to the right and look outside at the amazing view of the Vegas Strip. Massive, massive mirror. 2 sinks. Outside of the bathroom, straight ahead. Nice mirror. Hi guys. Closet space. Massive closet space with a safe. So that's going to be your safe. To the left, you can see it's getting a bit dark. That is because we have the blackout drapes on. But there is your third television, your bed, some more seating space. They do have these iPads here as well, shows the time, and you have some room controls there, which is nice and very convenient. Opening up these blackout drapes, we have an amazing view again, another angle of the Strip. Straight ahead, the Park MGM, MGM Grand. We have the Strip here, Polo Towers, and over here to the left, Planet Hollywood.
Is that ring or something?
Right straight ahead there. We also have, to the right of the Park MGM, we have the T-Mobile Arena. That's where the Vegas Golden Knights play. So there you have it. This has been our room tour of a Sky Suite at the Aria Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you're ever interested in staying in one of these, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will be happy to respond to any questions you have. Now we're gonna enjoy the suite, have a couple drinks, and enjoy Vegas. Good night, guys.